In today's video, I will be showing you Rosa and Athena's room. I hope you guys enjoy. Most of the time when you see room tours on YouTube or anywhere, the rooms are empty, and I always wonder how is it like to see the person that actually uses that room. So I decided to do this video a little different. Here you will meet my daughter Galilea, Athena, and Rosa. This is Rosa's bed. She is our oldest daughter. She has the most comfortable bed in the house. Oh my god, we love her bed. We can leave and run away someday. I love adding greenery into a room. I feel like it makes it feel more comfortable and peaceful. Something about green and nature makes me very happy. Although this is not real, the garland that you guys just saw, it is still really beautiful. This used to be Rosa's room only. It was a pretty good size, and she was here alone by herself for about 3 years until her sister Athena, which you guys will meet in just 1 second. There she is. Oh my goodness, it was her birthday the day that I filmed this video. That's Rosa's roommate, Athena, and she is now 2 years old. We won't be scared. You will see me flying high. When I decorated this room, I wanted it to flow nicely with the little nursery side that I have and also with Rosa's bed. Recently, I put this pink comforter that you guys just saw. Before, she used to have a polka dot one, which I loved, and I will bring it back eventually. We plan on moving this year, so I was thinking that I could give the crib to Galilea, our baby girl, and also we can pass down Rosa's bed to Athena and eventually get Rosa a new bed, or I can give her mine and I'll get a new bed for myself. Oh, my girls. Those are my girls. I cannot believe I have 3 daughters. It is crazy talk. I'm very blessed. How adorable is this doll? My mom made it for Rosa, and then she also made one for Athena and Galilea. I'll post the 3 dolls on my Instagram, so be sure to follow me there at Leslie Joanna _. My mom is really talented. She also dipped the flowers that you guys just saw on top of the crib. They used to be really nice, but we have to like fix them and stuff. It's been a while since I messed with those. One thing I do want to have in the girls' room when we move out of this home is chandeliers or chandeliers. I've been wanting to do that for so long, but it's such a hassle to do it here that I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna wait. And that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments down below what you enjoy the most about this video. I will see you guys on my next one. Bye.